Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stop loss on Fidelity. First, log into your Fidelity account and select the specific security you wish to trade. Next, click on the Trade button to open the order entry screen. This is where you will begin configuring your stop loss order to protect your investments. Once on the order entry screen, select Stop Loss or Stop Limit from the Order Type dropdown. For a stop loss, you'll enter a single stop price. For a stop limit, you'll also specify a limit price. Then choose your time in force, like day or good till canceled, to determine how long the order remains active. Before submitting, carefully review all the details of your stop loss order. Confirm that the stop price, limit price if applicable, and time in force are exactly as you intend. This crucial step helps prevent errors. After reviewing, click Preview Order to see a final summary, then proceed to confirm your order. You can easily manage your active stop loss orders by navigating to your Orders tab. Here, you have the flexibility to modify or cancel them as market conditions change. Remember, stop orders do not guarantee an execution at the exact stop price, especially in volatile markets. Also, check the description for a link to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.